Huzur, this question is related to one of the latest issues here. The medical association here in England, they are trying to obtain permission from the government to have medical tests on human embryo. So the question is it allowed in the light of Islamic teaching?
Whether it's allowed or not allowed, they'll go ahead with whatever the government decides. They're not a Muslim government, and they're free to move. Previously, some humanists, they call, they objected against experimentation on human embryo. But now, the pressure is rising upon the medical, from the medical service, upon the government, that this experimentation will help the future of embryonic stages from various suffering from internal diseases, and the experimentation will help them in future. So let it be. We don't care.
Sir, the last bit I could not follow.
You see, they say the experimentation on human embryos while it is in the embryonic stage will benefit scientists to understand what happens and what genes are responsible and why a child is born with genetic disorders, etc. So, because it is beneficial for the mankind at large, so the pressure on the government is rising on the medical professions that these tests should be allowed.